Shenzhen Kaiao Mould Technology Company Limited, formerly known as Shenzhen Yinhua, Rapid Mold Manufacturing Company Limited, founded in 1995, is a leading rapid prototyping manufacturer in China, located in Shenzhen, Guangdong Province, China, with a factory area of 5,000 square meters. Their product industry includes automotive interior and exterior decoration, medical shell, robot, industrial design and other product prototypes. Processing techniques include CNC machining, vacuum casting, reaction injection molding (RIM), 3D printing. Processing materials are plastic and metal. Special materials can be developed according to customer needs. Various post-treatment processes: grinding, sandblasting, polishing, oil spraying, baking paint, silk screen printing, wire drawing, laser engraving, electroplating, oxidation. Testing equipment includes 3-dimensional testing, surface measuring instrument, color difference testing equipment, paint surface wear testing equipment, height gauge, micrometer, hardness tester. Qualifications are ISO 13485, 2016, ISO 9001, 2015, ISO 14001, 2015. Kaiao has strong technical support, accumulated rich experience for decades, and strengthened the implementation of 6 seconds management system internally, with complete equipment, advanced technology, superb technology, superior quality, and quick response. Hundreds of professional and technical personnel work hard every day to make every customer satisfied and every product perfect, shorten their trial production cycle, and save development costs for customers. Kaiao firmly believes that, to achieve the excellent creativity and top design of customers, is to achieve Kaiao's tomorrow. If you have any questions about rapid prototyping and small batch production, please leave a message below the video, and I will bring you more answers. Look forward to your attention. See you in the next episode.